Hello students and friends. Welcome to Homeopathy Medicines. Today in this Homeopathic Materia Medica lesson, I will discuss about homeopathic medicine Mercurius cyanatus. Before starting this video, please subscribe to this channel for Learn Homeopathy Online Free and Homeopathy Materia Medica. We need support from you to make this channel more beautiful and more informative. Now going to discuss about Mercurius cyanatus, its uses and symptoms. Acute infections, pneumonia, nephritis. Its action is similar to that of the toxins of infectious diseases. Great and rapid prostration, tendency toward hemorrhages, from the different orifices, of dark fluid blood, cyanosis, rapid respiration and heart action, albuminuria and twitching and jerking of muscles. Typhoid pneumonia. Livid states from great struggling, where suffocation is imminent and paralysis of lung threatening, great sweat. Affects most prominently the buccal cavity. This, together with marked prostration, gives it a place in the treatment of diphtheria, where it has achieved unquestioned great results. Malignant types, with prostration. Coldness and nausea. Syphilitic ulcers when perforation threatens. Head, great excitement, fits of passion, fury, talkativeness. Atrocious headache. Eyes sunken, face pale. Mouth, covered with ulcerations. Tongue pale. Free salivation. Fever of breath. Pain and swelling of salivary glands. Astringent taste. Ulcerations of mouth have a gray membrane. Throat, feels raw and sore. Mucous membranes broken down, ulcerated. Looks raw in spots, especially in public speakers. Hoarseness, and talking is painful. Necrotic destruction of soft parts of palate and fauces. Intense redness of fauces. Swallowing very difficult. Dark blood from nose. Diphtheria of the larynx and nose, coli bitch. Stomach, nausea, vomiting, bilious, bloody, hiccup, abdomen painful, tender to pressure. Rectum, intolerable pain. Redness around anus. Frequent hemorrhage, stools with tenesmus. Discharge of fetid liquid with gangrenous odor. Black stools. Urinary, amber color, painful, albuminous, scandy. Nephritis with great debility and chilliness. Suppression of urine. Skin, moisture, with icy coldness. Given a murk. Base and diphtheria, when the membrane is greenish and inclined to spread through the nose and involve a large surface. The cyanide of mercury is needed. It has exudation more marked than any other form of mercury. Malignant forms of diphtheria, rapidly forming, and with phagedenic ulceration. Thanks for watching this video. If you want more videos like Mercurius cyanatus, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. To learn homeopathy course online free with Homeopathy Materia Medica. Comment us your feedback and what you want in the next video. Like and share this video with your friends and family. For paid and free consultancy online, visit homeopathymedicines.com and mashclinic.com. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay happy.